You know, 4 1 over 2, 4 and half, 4 and half. I mean, this one 3 5 over 7. This is mentioned as 3 5 over 7. How about this one? 6 11 over 12. So, you know, more than 1, you could see here 4, here 3, here 6. These things, these numbers we name in maths as, you know, mixed numbers. These are not called as mixed fractions. These are mixed numbers. So these are mixed numbers. How about this one? 3 over 4. Can we consider this one as a mixed number? No, not at all. Here is a proper fraction. So this is not a mixed number. Then we could write this one as a mixed number. 1 3 over 4. Here is a mixed number. Right now this one can be mentioned as a mixed number. Now this is not a mixed number. Then how about this one? 4 3 over 4. Here is a mixed number. How about this one? 14 3 over 4. Here is a mixed number. How about this one? 6 1 over 7. Here is a mixed number. So you could identify mixed numbers. Mixed numbers can be mentioned as improper fractions. Mixed numbers you could write as improper fractions. Improper fractions. Mixed numbers you could write as improper fractions. Mixed numbers you could write as improper fractions. Improper fractions. Improper fractions. How can you write really the mixed numbers as improper fractions? Improper fractions. Mixed numbers. You know, here is a mixed number. 3 and a half is a mixed number. How can you write this one as an improper fraction? Improper fraction. So here the denominator is 2 here. That is not changed here. Denominator is 2. 2 times 3. 2 multiplied by 3. 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. And 6 plus 1. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. That 7 we could write here. Right? So how did we get this 7 here? 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Then 7 over 2. This is the related improper fraction of 3 and a half. How do you do this one? Then the denominator does not change, which means this value needs to be written here. So here 2, but here how did we get this 7 here? 2 times 3 is 6, and this 1 is added here. Then 6 plus 1 is 7. So the answer is 7 over 2. This is a mixed number related improper fraction is 7 over 2. So how about this one? 4 5 over 7. Let's get the related improper fraction here. 7 times for 28. 7 times for 28. 28 plus 5 is 33. So 33 over 7 is the improper fraction of 4 over 7. I do think that you understood it. Don't forget, this 7 does not change here. Then 3 5 over 8. How can you get the related improper fraction here? Then 8 times 3 24. 24 plus 5 is 29. 29 over 8 is the improper fraction. 25 over 8 and 13 over 4. How can you find the greater fraction here? So here 8, here 4. We need to make equal denominator in both fractions. So here 8, here 4. So we could convert this point to 8 without instead of multiplying this 8 by 4 and 4 by 8. So we could multiply the denominator here, 4 by 2, so as to get 8 here, then here as well, numerator as well. So 25 over 8 does not change. Here 13 times 2 is 26, 4 times 2 is 8. 25 over 8, 26 over 8. Therefore, the greater fraction is 26 over 8, which means this one, the answer. Okay, so how can you compare this one? 12 to 1 over 6 and 5 1/3. What is the greater fraction here? Then here easily you could get the answer for this one. So, you could think of this whole number. Here 2, here 5. So, 5 is greater than 2. Therefore, this is a greater fraction here. So, the answer is, 5 1/3 is greater than 2 1/6. So, how can you get the answer of this one? If the whole number is equal, how can you compare? I mean, this type of one, 4 2/3, 4 2/3, 4 and half. So here 4, here 4. Right now, how can you find the greater fraction here? Now, you could find the greater fraction here considering these two fractions. I mean, 2/3 and 1/3 can be considered, can be taken. So, what is the greater fraction of these two? 2/3 and half. Now, previously studied method can be applied here in terms of getting the greater fraction here. Then denominator multiplied by 2, here 2. So, denominator here multiplied by 3. So, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 2 is 6, 1 into 3 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6. Right now, the greater fraction is 4 over 6, which means this one. So, the answer here is this one. Is the answer.